Pattachitra is a traditional Indian folk art from Odisha and West Bengal. These are two incarnations of Lord Vishnu, Varaha and Matsya. Have you ever tried drawing a perfect circle with a brush? Come, we will show you a easy technique. Border is a must for every Pattachitra painting. You can check on our video on border design for Pattachitra. Matsya, meaning fish, is one of the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. Some of the popular themes are depiction of Sri Jagannath Ji, Krishna Leela, incarnation of Lord Vishnu and Panchmukhi Ganesha. Pattachitra paintings are executed with elongated eyes and use of solid vibrant shades. We hope you enjoyed this video. Do let us know in comments.